Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly worrying about where your money is going? Do you feel like you're on a financial treadmill, working hard but never getting ahead? You might be making these 10 money mistakes, and these could be the very habits that are keeping you from achieving your financial goals, without even realizing it. These subtle errors can slowly erode your financial stability. You work hard, putting in long hours and dedicating yourself to your job, but despite your best efforts, your money seems to vanish every month, leaving you wondering where it all went. These habits are so ingrained, they become second nature and you barely notice them. They're just part of your routine. Like daily coffee runs, that seemingly small expense that adds up over time. Or forgotten subscriptions, those recurring charges that you no longer use but continue to pay for. The first step to building wealth and achieving financial freedom is recognizing what's holding you back, identifying those financial pitfalls that are preventing you from reaching your full potential. Today, I'll break down the 10 most common money mistakes that people make, often without realizing it, and give you practical, actionable steps to fix them so you can start taking control of your finances today. Stick around. Number 10 is the one almost everyone overlooks, and it could be the key to unlocking your financial success. Let's dive right in and address a critical misstep that many people make when it comes to their finances. It's a common pitfall that can derail even the best laid plans. It's the habit of living beyond your means. This is where your spending consistently outpaces your income. Lifestyle inflation sneaks up, it's insidious. As your raises lead to bigger apartments, perhaps in trendier neighborhoods, newer cars, often with hefty monthly payments, and generally more spending across the board. Even seemingly small expenses like daily lattes from your favorite coffee shop, and multiple streaming subscriptions that you barely use, add up fast. They create a slow drain on your finances. So, what's the solution to this common problem? The first step is to track every dollar you spend for a month. Use a budgeting app on your phone, a spreadsheet on your computer, or even a simple notebook. Just write it all down, meticulously recording where your money is going. Once you have a clear picture and see exactly where your money goes each month, it's time to create a budget. This budget should be carefully crafted so that it keeps your expenses well below your income. Then make a conscious effort to cut back on non-essential spending. This will help you create a gap, a financial cushion. This gap represents the difference between what you earn and what you actually spend. And that gap, my friends, is your ticket to financial freedom and a more secure future. Not having a budget is like building a house without a blueprint. Budgets aren't about restriction. They give you permission to spend on what matters. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and debt. Allocate money for fun, so you can enjoy guilt-free spending. The rest goes to essentials and your future. Use any tool you like, app, spreadsheet or notebook. The key is to start and stick with it. A budget is your plan for financial peace of mind. Not having an emergency fund is like driving without a seatbelt. Life throws curveballs, car repairs, medical bills, job loss. Without savings, you'll turn to high-interest debt and get trapped. Aim for a mini emergency fund of $500, $1,000 to start. Automate transfers to a separate savings account every payday. Build the habit first, then work toward 3-6 months of expenses. This fund is your safety net and peace of mind. Relying on credit cards for daily spending is a recipe for debt. Credit cards make it easy to overspend because it doesn't feel like real money. Carrying a balance means paying extra in interest, money that could build your wealth. Try a cash or debit card diet for a month. Spend only what's in your account to make every purchase feel real. This shift curbs overspending and breaks the debt cycle. Use credit cards as a tool, not a crutch. Impulse buying is the silent killer of budgets. Marketers create urgency, limited time only, to trigger emotional spending. Those small, unplanned purchases add up to thousands a year. Use the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before buying anything non-essential. Most of the time the urge will pass. This pause lets your rational brain take over. Protect your money from fleeting wants. Trade short-term thrills for long-term gains. What's one of the most common and potentially devastating financial missteps people make? It's not investing early. Procrastinating on investing can have significant long-term consequences. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Because compound interest turns even small amounts into substantial wealth over time. It's like a snowball effect, where your earnings generate more earnings. Waiting even just a decade to begin investing can drastically impact your potential returns. It can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost growth and missed opportunities to build wealth. The good news is, you don't need a lot of money to start investing. Consider opening a Roth IRA, which offers tax advantages for retirement savings, or set up a brokerage account online. The process is often quick and straightforward. Then, invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs, which offer diversification and are a cost-effective way to grow your investments. You can start investing even with just a few dollars each month, so start now. Don't delay. Be consistent with your investments and let the power of compounding work its magic for you over the long term. Don't wait for someday to start investing. Your future self, enjoying a comfortable retirement, will definitely thank you for taking action today. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the less you'll ultimately have to invest later in life to reach your financial goals. Don't leave that free money, the potential for future growth, sitting on the table. Start investing today. Creating a budget is great, but not tracking your spending is where most people slip. Small daily expenses, coffee, apps, ride shares, add up and sink your budget. Without tracking, you're flying blind and can't spot leaks. Use an app, spreadsheet, or notebook, whatever you'll actually use. Check in weekly to see if you're on track. Make it a habit, like brushing your teeth. Consistency is key to staying accountable. Data doesn't lie. Let it guide your decisions. Neglecting your financial education is expensive. Most of us never learned about money in school, but it's your job to fix that now. You don't need a finance degree. Just start learning. Watch videos, listen to podcasts, read blogs or books like The Simple Path to Wealth. Spend 15 minutes a day learning about money. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Invest in your knowledge. It pays the best returns. Trying to keep up with others, friends, influencers, neighbors, will drain your wallet and your happiness. Social media shows you the highlight reel, not the debt or stress behind the scenes. Chasing someone else's lifestyle is a losing game. True wealth is about freedom, not possessions. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday. Unfollow accounts that trigger spending or insecurity. Define what a rich life means to you. Run your own race. Not having clear financial goals leaves you drifting. Vague wishes like, "I want to save more," don't work. Set specific, measurable goals with deadlines like saving $10,000 for a house in 2 years. Goals give your money a purpose and keep you motivated. Break them into short, mid, and long-term targets. Write them down and track your progress. Every dollar you save moves you closer to your dream life. Turn your goals into your roadmap. Those are the 10 money mistakes keeping you broke, and how to fix them. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick 1 or 2 habits to focus on this month. Small, consistent actions build momentum and lead to big results. Be patient and kind to yourself. This is your journey. Every step you take is a vote for your future self. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more. Now I want to hear from you. What money habit are you changing first?